This is a new way of recording that it's going to be a lot easier, especially if your Zoom is not working or you did not figure how to upload it to YouTube. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google Classroom, go to your classwork, and where it says finals, you're going to go to recording your presentation. So you're going to click on recording your presentation, then you're going to click on the FlipGrid tab. After you click on the FlipGrid tab, remember we've done this before, it's going to ask you to log in if it's the first time you log in, or sign up if it's the first time to sign up. But all you have to do is click one of these recording buttons. Either one is fine, they do the same thing. You're going to click this record button, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. If it's the first time that you sign in again, you just have to sign in. It takes like about 30 seconds or so, and then it's going to open up the page. Once it opens up the page, the first thing you have to do is click the options buttons, which is these three little buttons right here, and then you're going to record your screen. I'm not going to press it right now because I'm already recording my screen, but that's all you have to do. And make sure to have your picture open, your image open, so that you could record your screen and your picture's already uploaded. Once you're done, you could just go ahead and post it, and it will all post to FlipGrid. So instead of using YouTube, we are going to be using this method.